Yes, so facial harmonization is a treatment to balance your face. So some people have deficiency or volume loss in some areas, like let's say the most common in Canada is deficiency of the chin projection. So we inject fillers in the chin, depends on the needs. Sometimes it can be transgender transition from gender to gender, so we need to, let's say, make look more masculine or to look more feminine. That's how we do it. So we add some volume with fillers to this area. We can relax some muscles. Let's say if the face is too square because of the bruxism, the clenching their teeth at night. So we inject Botox in the masseter muscle, make it less strong, and then the muscle shrinks, not working out, and then the face becomes slimmer in this lower part. Also in some clients we notice the jawline is not sharp enough, so we can add some more fillers to make the jaw more square, more sharp. Also some women or men lose their cheek volume in their cheeks. So men tend to lose more volume in the medial part, like here, and women tend to lose volume at the lateral part. So we inject some fillers here to build some foundation first, and then to make the definition and to create nice lines. Yes. So, side effects of the facial harmonization treatment. Of course, it's a little bit of discomfort and sore area, because for facial harmonization we inject starting from 3 up to, it can be up to 15 syringes, right? So if you inject different areas and a lot of areas in one treatment, of course you can be swollen. It's always risk of bruising when we use needles. The redness, the soreness. You can take Tylenol for the pain and comfort, and you can also use some ice and arnica cream for the prevention of the bruising and swelling. Also, we recommend to avoid alcohol and high sodium intake to decrease swelling. Pretty much it can be everybody. Even younger people, they have major volume loss in some areas. The age doesn't make any difference in this point. It just harmonization makes your face more proportional. That's why age doesn't really matter for that treatment. The treatment take, I would say, maximum 1.5 hours, because we need to freeze you really well, right? We apply numbing cream. It takes about 20 minutes to freeze you, and then it takes me like about 10 minutes to do my markings, to define the area with my marker and to make a plan. And then it takes not long to inject. The results of facial harmonization usually last up to 2 years, because for some chin, I inject the product. If you don't have contraindications to this, some Juvederm fillers are the best for the chin, I found, and the same for the cheeks. I also love for chin and cheeks Restylane products. For the lips, my favorite is Stillage. It just depends on the goal we need to achieve, but most of the fillers in the cheek and chin area last up to 2 years. And the same for jawline. Botox would last 3 to 4 months. So, but in some cases we just need initial Botox treatment just to inject fillers in 2 weeks to relax the muscle, because sometimes when the mentalis muscle, the muscle of the chin, is too strong, I don't prefer to inject fillers right away. I would like to relax the muscle first, and then in 2 weeks to inject the filler. Everything to make the procedure the most comfortable for our clients. So we use different methods of anesthesia. So we can freeze you with numbing cream, and some cases when people have low pain tolerance, cannot handle pain, Dr. Bruno injects local freezing. So we can do all different kinds of anesthesia treatments for you, so you don't feel any pain. And we also have like vibration tool for you. We have stress balls, ice. Yeah. The most important before your treatment, please don't drink coffee or alcohol, because it makes you more sensitive to the pain first. The second, you will have much more risks of bruising and swelling. So no salty food, no alcohol, no coffee, no Advil, no blood thinners. If your doctor prescribe you blood thinners, please don't stop your blood thinners without the doctor's note and without the doctor's direction. So if the patient has fillers done or Botox done before the treatment, doesn't matter, at least it should be 2 weeks after your Botox or filler injection, and yeah, we will go from there. Yeah, so for the facial harmonization, we use starting from 3 syringes up to 15 syringes. Most likely, like it's 5-7, that is most likely how I use it, but you need consultation before the treatment. So I will assess your face, we will talk about the facial features, about your expectations, about the realistic outcome you can get, and we decide together what to do with our treatment. But it can be the same day. Yeah, post-treatment instructions, very important. No salty food, no alcohol 24 hours, no sun, no direct sunlight, like no sauna, no hot tub, no swimming pool, no exercise for 24 hours. Very important, no pressure on the areas for 2 weeks. The pressure means no straw, don't sleep on your side, don't sleep face down, you have to sleep on your back. No glasses which pushing on the cheek area, like no pressure at all on your face. Yes, very important post-treatment and pre-treatment instruction about the vaccination. If you're getting COVID vaccine or any other kinds of vaccines, it should be 1 month at least before your treatment. And then after your treatment, wait another month until you get your vaccination. So for facial harmonization, contraindications are the same as for Botox and facial fillers. So for facial fillers, no autoimmune diseases, uncontrolled diabetes, cardiovascular, uncontrolled. Also, the main contraindication is breastfeeding and pregnancy, and some kind of blood thinner medications. And you have to be healthy at the moment of the treatment. No cold, no flu, no inflammation. So that's why we recommend you not to sweat, not to go to the swimming pool, no hot tub, don't touch your face with your fingers. It's very important because this is the most common what people don't listen to and don't follow. So they try like to touch their face right after the injection. Please don't do it. No makeup after the injection. It's very important. No kissing. Like don't let your animals to kiss you and lick you, because it can lead to some infection. Yes, you feel free to call us, text us, DM on social medias. So we are open for conversation, and you can also use online booking. Have any questions? Reach out to us. We are happy to answer your questions.